What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Destiny Lene, and I'm back with another video. I hope you guys enjoy this one. It is my first install and hair review on this channel, so please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Today's video is brought to you by MEGALOOK Hair. They were so kind and gifted me with this 13x6 18-inch body wave frontal. I think it's really cool because it came with this kit with practically everything you need to do an install at home. It came with a silk wrap, an edge brush, 2 clips, 2 wig caps, and I think I got everything. Oh yeah, and these really cute lashes and the wig, of course, which, by the way, I'll leave the link to the wig and MEGALOOK's info, like their handles for all of their social media and their website, in the description. Initial thoughts on this wig as soon as I got it out of the packaging. I thought it was super soft, very bouncy, and very pretty. The lace on this wig was actually transparent lace, and the hairline on this wig was pretty thick, but we're gonna work that thing out later, so keep watching. Really cool thing about this wig, it came with 4 clips and an elastic band already attached, which is perfect if you want to go for that glueless look. Okay, trying it on off rip, I will say the hair is super soft. Like, what? Crazy soft. It's gonna be a time customizing this, only because the hairline is so thick. But y'all see my hairline right there? That looks like I have to pull it up some, and then I'm definitely gonna have to take out the strap that comes with it because your girl has a big head. So, but yeah, we're gonna have a time customizing this, but it should be fun. Hopefully the end result is something we like. Okay, let's get into bleaching these knots. I used the Clear All bleach with 40 volume developer, and I used Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner to rinse out the hair. But first things first, I need to cut out the elastic band because it's just not gonna work for me, but it depends on what you like and what you want. I also prep the hair before bleaching it with a little bit of water to kind of protect the hair from the bleach. As you can see here, I am about to put the bleach on the wig. I recommend folding your wig inside out. At first I had it like this, but eventually I flipped it because it makes it easier to see and get to where you're going. But I like my bleach to be kind of a thick paste, so it's not too liquidy, so it doesn't go straight through to the hair. Okay, so like I said before, I like to use Shimmer Light shampoo and conditioner, but I like to let the shampoo sit for at least 15 minutes. I do this because it kind of tones the bleach knots without actually having to use toner. Our goal here is to kind of cancel out that orange color you get when bleaching your knots. Okay, so the knots are pretty much all bleached, but a technique of mine is over bleaching my knots, so I truly get way more than I normally do when bleaching. If you're like really good at bleaching, then you probably won't have to do this, but I feel like over bleaching your knots actually gets more of them and makes my frontals come out even more natural. But the key to success for that is buying a box dye and going back in with a spoolie. I'm putting y'all on game. Wait, hold on. I'm really trying to put y'all on game right now, and it's playing with me. Might have to go back and do an voiceover, but yeah, so I try to bleach as many knots as possible. You can see there's still some black ones in there, but I'm sure they're gonna get plucked out too. I feel like it gives more of a natural look if I do it like this, but I'm gonna go in with a spoolie and some box hair dye I got from the store, and I'll show you guys what I am talking about. So the hair dye I'm using is the Color Silk by Revlon in Black is Brown,
And first I will be protecting the lace by spraying it with this Got To Be spray. And then I'm going to mix up the color. Okay, so this is a key right here. So I'm dipping the spoolie and rubbing off the excess on the sides of the bottles and just using that spoolie to like stroke through the hairs that I see are super duper blonde. I'm just gonna part through the wig one by one. It's kind of tedious, but it's really worth it, honestly. Like you can see right there, it's super duper blonde, but whenever I get done with what I'm doing here, you won't see that blonde anymore. And I just keep the dye on for the recommended time of like 15 minutes. And right here, I am rinsing the hair out first and then applying a conditioner that just came with the dye. Really pushing that product into the hair and then letting it set for 5 minutes and then rinsing. This footage right here you're seeing, I let the hair air dry overnight and then the next day I started plucking, so that's what you're seeing right here. And honestly, that's where the magic happens right here. If you want to see a more detailed video on plucking, let me know in the comments. Looking kind of scary right here, but this is key. I did not tint this lace. You can buy a tint and tint your lace if you want to, but this is an easy version. Just get a foundation powder that matches your skin and it will blend like magic. Transparent lace is practically made for you to tint because it comes kind of white, so make sure you add the powder that matches your skin tone. Here I'm just wiping off the excess Got To Be glue that I had from the wig cap, and the glue I used for this install was Ghost Bond glue. So what you guys are seeing me do now is cutting my lace into sections. I like to glue down my wigs into sections because I feel like it makes things a little bit easier and the process run a little bit smoother. Okay, so what you guys see me doing now is obviously gluing down the wig. First coat was kind of messy, but as we move on, we get a little bit neater. I've been doing this for 2 times, so bear with me. I'm a newbie when it comes to the wig thing a little bit, but I think this install came out really nice, so you can trust me. But the key to success with gluing down your wigs is making sure you blend that glue down as flat as possible and as thin as possible, so that it dries down clear. So this is the point where I decided I want to push the hairline back a little bit. It depends on what you like in your preference, but I wanted to cut off just a little bit of the front. So I'm just gonna section that part off so I can cut it off whenever I cut off my lace. So now I'm going to spray my hair with Got To Be and wrap it with the elastic band to really get that melt down that we're looking for. You can get an elastic band at a craft store, a hair store, wherever. I think I got mine from a craft store. No, I got it from Amazon. A big little round of it so you can cut it off anytime you're doing your wigs or reuse them, and they really get that meltdown for real. So invest in an elastic band. And now I'm just hot combing the hair out of the way, so whenever I cut it, there's no extra little hair from the parts that I want to keep in the front. Okay, so now we're getting into this thing. We're cutting that lace. See, ain't no turning back after you cut that up. We cut it off. We cut it off. And honestly, I can say I don't regret cutting this piece off. It comes out looking really, really nice. So y'all hang on tight. You'll see. By the way, I'm also cutting in a zigzag motion almost, just moving it so it's not perfect, not a super straight hairline. This will also help with the meltdown. Now I'm taking some alcohol just to clean up the edges a bit. And to help us get that meltdown we're looking for, I'm just going in with that same powder from the beginning and spraying the Got To Be spray again. Okay, so we're getting to the end of things. Now that the hair is wrapped up, while we wait for that to cook and melt down, we're just gonna straighten the hair. I went with the middle part and straight, bone straight look. It's kind of bone straight. I missed a piece in the back. Y'all gonna see that later, but we got to it. Oh, look at that girl, look at that girl. We got it going. Okay, take the band off. Okay, the part ain't straight yet, but we gonna fix that in a second. Let's fix the part up a little bit. Okay, now that we gotten the part situated, so what we get to the edges, but before I do the edges, I'm just gonna hot comb a little bit, get that thing flat. By the way, I don't think I recorded it or the camera paused or something, but I did put some wax on my hair. I use the Edge Booster wax in the scent Peach, just to try to help me out. And then here you see me wiping off whatever excess glue, Got To Be spray, or whatever is on my forehead. So off camera, I did one side. I have a little bit of trouble with doing my edges on camera, so I tried to show you guys kind of how I did it on the other side, and then I'll show y'all the end result. I just use a bit of foaming lotion to do my edges. I've tried edge control and things like that, but I feel like edge control kind of like lifts my lace a little bit. Foam can too if you leave it on too long, but I've gotten used to using foam, so that's what I use. But you can use whatever you want.
This hair came out so stinking good, bro. Stiff hair.
Y'all ready to get into this transformation? And 1, 2, Forget it. 10. Yeah, we did that. We did it.
You see me. Hold on, wait. Let him get into it right quick. You see me.
All right, now y'all, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, do all that. And thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. If you want to see more things like this, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's your girl Destiny Lene, and I hope this video brightens your day. Peace.